Paying off your self-lender loan doesn't immediately change your credit score in a dramatic way, because the biggest benefit comes from the payment history you already built while the account was active. By the end of this, you'll know what actually happens after you finish your self-loan, how it affects your credit report, and what steps you should take right after payoff. First thing to understand, Self is designed to build credit through monthly payments reported to the credit bureaus. Once the loan is paid off, that reporting stops, but the history you built stays on your credit report for a long time. Right after payoff, you'll usually get access to your funds from the credit builder account. This is the savings portion you've been paying into over time. It's released after the loan is fully closed and settled. Next, your account status will change from active to completed. That means you won't be making monthly payments anymore, and no new credit activity will be reported under that loan. Your credit report will still show the account history. This includes on-time payments and the full term of the loan. That history is what lenders look at when they evaluate your credit behavior. One important detail is that once the account is closed, it stops contributing new positive payment data. So if this was your only credit builder account, your credit growth may slow down unless you continue building credit through other products. After payoff, you might also notice a small change in your credit mix. That's normal because installment accounts behave differently than revolving credit like cards. The account doesn't disappear, but it transitions from active to closed in your report. If your goal is long-term credit building, this is usually the point where people open another credit building product or move into a secured or unsecured credit card to keep building history. To summarize, after paying off your self-lender loan, you get your saved funds released, your account is marked complete, and your positive payment history stays on your credit report. The main change is that new credit reporting from that account stops. Next step, check your credit report after payoff to confirm the account shows as paid and close with full payment history. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of credit builder loans and how they affect your credit over time.